So I created a buyer template. So within that Google form that you see, you're going to see also a template of where at the bottom I've created Lofty templates. And so I have a buyer template, a seller template, and I basically, I'm in Texas, so we have an option period and we have certain things maybe other states don't. So you can edit this however you want, but this is basically a timeline of, and I send this through Lofty. So once they go under contract, I tell them their next steps. I also give them a call. Same thing for a seller. I explain everything, and I always tell them to refer to the email. We want to remind them, even if you talk to them, you always want to put something in writing to recap with them so they don't forget. Life happens. They may have kids. They may have a hard job. They may just be forgetful, and they need this to have some reassurance to know that, oh yeah, she did tell me this, and this is the deadline. So when I mentioned in Lofty, I created templates. So Lofty does have templates. If you guys use Lofty, there's a lot of templates. So I used to use my Google Gmail, where you can create a template within Gmail, but Epique offers Lofty for us. So I'm trying to utilize Lofty as much as I can with lead generation, task, creating templates, drip campaigns, funnels. So these are step-by-step instructions on how to create a template. And once you go in there, you label the template in your folder. I have what you just saw going under contract for a buyer and seller. Put it in ChatGPT, put it in Claude, go with it, however it sounds, however you want it to sound for yourself. And then save it. And that way, when you go to your, and I can show you on Lofty, when you go in and you create an email, all you have to do is find the template. Email templates. It's the exact instructions that I have on that screen that I put in. And so here are my templates that I create. So when I go into, and you can edit them and whatnot, the takeaway for you guys would be do the templates at the most minimum. Go create a template and then look at who are you talking to in your CRM. Send an email. If you're not sending emails through Lofty, you should, because it's connected to your mail anyway. Send them emails, send them updates. And if you're unsure, you can preview it before you send it, or send it to yourself to see how it looks, right? I'm telling you, if you have anxiety, or if you're just like, oh, it's so overwhelming, that's going to take so much. Think of all the emails and updates and just systemize it, make a template, and it's yours, unless you find one in Lofty that you like, but some of them don't sound like me in Lofty, which is okay, That's probably the biggest time saving thing that has helped me.